welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make a potato salad. Maybe some people thinking why we do a potato salad at Christmas time. So here's the answer. The 24th of December is usually a day to work in Germany. So there's not much time to prepare something like a goose. Especially in Frankfurt we served a potato salad. They had only to prepare the sauces. They served in Frankfurt, especially the Frankfurt sauces, they were delicious. And they had an easy and very nice dish for the Christmas Eve.
The main ingredients of the potato salad are potatoes, onions, and also cucumber. For the salad we are making jacket potatoes, so please don't peel them. Those are medium-sized potatoes and we're gonna cook them for about 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can prepare the cucumber. First, we're gonna peel it and then we're gonna slice it. After this is done, we're gonna place it in a bowl and put a little bit of salt. We want the cucumber to lose the water. After this is done, we will mix it and we will set aside for at least 20 minutes. Now we will chop the onion into very small cubes. For this, we are using red onion because it's got a nicer color. In the meanwhile, our potatoes are cooked and just at this point we're gonna peel them. Remember to remove everything what you don't want to eat from the potato. For the dressing, we're gonna need Mirasol whip, onions, a bit of nutmeg, hard-boiled egg, mustard, majoran, salt and pepper. Now we're gonna take the egg and cut it in very small pieces. After you're done with it, please take a bowl and mix all the dressing ingredients. Before we mix the cucumber slices with the dressing, we're gonna need to drain it. And after this is done, we can put the cucumbers into the bowl and mix everything very well. At last, we're gonna slice the potatoes and put them in the dressing bowl. We're gonna mix everything very slowly. You don't want to break the potatoes. To our salad, we also added a little bit of vinegar, but that's optional. Just taste it and see if anything is missing. The salad we're gonna eat with a Frankfurt sausage that we're gonna prepare in a salty water. Remember that the Frankfurt sausage shouldn't be actually cooked. For about 10 minutes and it will be fine.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. This was the last video for this year and I hope to see you all again next year. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Bye.